What's going on, everyone? A little Bose theme music requested by none other than Mr. Mike. Guess I can do it. I don't know if he's going to say, and now. I don't know if I ever let it get that far. Woo, that's loud. Good luck, good luck, good luck, everyone. We got a nice 101 pot, 1832. Let's get that 101. Best chances, there's a couple chances. Flux, Chronicles, Optic, a chance in Hoops. I don't know about those 1,200 and 2021s. Let's pull it. I'm going to start with Flux. Probably go to Hoops. And go to Chronicles. Finish up with Optic. Contenders. Good luck, everyone. I do have Mosaic up. Mosaic Fast Break. Nice product, nice price. It's getting there. A little over halfway full, I believe. Let's get it. Spot 2? You're spot 2, right? Yeah. Kind of like doing the multi-year thing. Helps out the price a little bit of the 2021 class. Chances for 2022. We should have, here's our case card, Donruss coming out soon of the new class. So this will start being some nice mixers with the Mellow class and the Cunningham, Mobley. Alright, good luck on a Flux. A Bones Highland. Yeah, someone said they saw a 101. What was it? God, who said that? So they saw a 101 of the Flux encased. It was probably like Isaiah Joe or something. I think he said it was a 76er. We'll take any 101 we can get. Good luck, good luck. Riley's been getting screwed in the randoms. Dennis Smith Jr. for the Pistons. Right off the bat, we have our Trophosphere. It is a rookie, Jalen Smith, going out to the Phoenix Suns. Swore off randoms. We've been doing a little bit more PYT lately, which is cool. Trophosphere. Nice card for Phoenix. PJ Tucker for the Bucks on the silver. Royce O'Neal. Markelle Fultz. Miles Turner. Zach LaVine. We got an incoming Poku. Cool insert for the T-Wolves. Karl Anthony Towns and Denny. Rookie for the Wizards. I will get all the rookies taken care of after the break. Gonna try to sort this tonight. Tomorrow, break-wise, it's probably gonna be a late night break session. We have to go to Hartford tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. So I'm guessing Adam won't start breaking probably about 8:30. Jaylen Brown, Sterling Brown. We got a D Wade for the Heat on the blue. You know, they just don't match up very well against teams like the Hornets and the Cavs. I've noticed that, like, young teams, that's to 99, 91 of 99. And I think it's just a regular season thing. I think it's like a going through emotions thing. But the last couple of years, they don't match up very well in regular season games against young guns. DeMar DeRozan, they struggled with Atlanta last year, you know, and then look what they did in the playoffs. Daniel Arturo, rookie for the Clippers. Kendrick Nunn, Mason Plumlee. Influx, Carl Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans. Sark and Dante. So I don't know if it's inconsistency or it's just getting through the season to me. Right, the young teams, it means a lot to them playing the championship teams, playing the best teams. They're trying to measure themselves. And I don't mean to rip on like the Bulls fans, but it's kind of like with Thibodeau in Chicago. Like they were always playing such tough defense during the regular season. Such a great defensive team, but the teams they were playing with didn't care. Come playoff times, everyone starts playing defense. Tristan Thompson, Karis LeVert, Julius Randle on the Knicks for the Knicks on the red. Shaq, Poku, rookie base Malik Monk, Andre Drummond, Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans on the silver, Charles Barkley for the Rockets, and DeAndre Ayton. You know, Thibodeau just had his team playing so hard during the regular season, and they always had really good records. Other teams take nights off. What's Mike talking about? That's our auto. Yeah, I mean, for whatever reason, the Hornets run us up and down the court. We can't keep up with them. But I have a feeling if we played them in a 4-game series, it's probably 4-1, if not 4-0. Nikola Vucevic for the... Is it a Bulls? Yeah, it's a Bulls card. Dennis Schroeder for the Heat. Another Dwayne Wade. That's pretty nasty looking. Should be a short print. Mike just hit a bull. It is to 75. 19 to 75. The Heat coming through from the mini. All D Wade cards. Grant Hill for the Pistons. Kellen Johnson. Marcus Smart. Brogdon. We got Ben Simmons. Below Motion. Silver. Mikal Bridges and Campazzo, rookie for the Nuggets. That I did. Mike does have a 16 by 20. It's probably a multi-sport photo, I'm guessing. Oh. Few spots looked available right before I went live. Jalen Brunson, Jimmy Butler. Got a Tyrese Halliburton flow motion for the Kings. Julius Randle and Anthony Edwards. T-Wolves, rookie base. Watch the auto be. All right, let's see our auto. Corey Joseph for the Pistons. Chris Boucher. Silver for the Raptors. Jacob Puel for the Spurs. D. Rose and our auto. It's not a bad one. It is a rookie for the Rockets. Deshaun Tate. The jersey inscription in there in his auto. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Rookie autographs influx. Deshaun Tate going to the Houston Rockets. That's right, baby. First team all rookie. All right, let's see our encase card. Last one case hit. Let's do it. Malachi Flynn going to the Toronto Raptors. That looks to be a rookie base. Not numbered. Congrats to Toronto and Mr. Eipert. All right, let's do hoops. Call it Tate 101. Oh, you got their Rockets? Did you? No, you didn't get them in the mini. You got Washington in the mini. Oh, that's right. You had the rocket emoji. You confused everyone the other night when you did that. I think Auber grabbed the Rockets and said, I don't see anyone who has them. See your rocket emoji. Empty. Let's see if we can get you a Jalen Green too. Deshaun Tate's not bad. I forget which side the auto's on. That's kind of what I thought it was too. A lot of people put like emojis like sent, you know, sent off or something. Like I thought it was too. I'm like, wait a minute, he doesn't have a team. What did he pay for? Buddy Hield, Josh Richardson, Jarrett Allen, Bradley Beal, Jordan Clarkson, Giddy 101, DeAndre Ayton. Shit, we got his name again. Quentin Grimes for the Knicks. Give me a thumbs up if I said it correctly. Davion Mitchell, rookie for the Kings. Ben Simmons, Terrence Ross, Reggie Bullock, Obi Toppin, Marcus Morris. We got our auto already. It is going to the Lake Show. Andre Drummond. Everyone can go get a drink of water, grab a sandwich. It's going to be a 15 minutes of no fun here with hoops. Hot signatures, Andre Drummond for the Lake Show. Grimes, damn it, Grimes. I said it wrong. Now playing Kai Jones for the Hornets and Isaiah Livers, Detroit basketball. Grimes. I think I got it from now on. I think I got it. I think I got it. Grimes. I'm gonna remember I. Remember the I in his name. Grimes. I know. Throw the rest of the box away. We can get a short print rookie. Aaron Baines, Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid, Karl Anthony Towns, TJ Ward, Alonzo, Prime Twine, Russell Westbrook. It's a Lakers card in a Washington jersey. Juan Toscano, rookie for Golden State. Kevin Porter, Sederansky, Dort, Hunter, Oubre, Desmond Bain. On the purple, Buddy Hield for the Kings. And James Bouknight, rookie for the Hornets. You gonna check on the Nets game? I don't blame you. Let me know the score. Peyton Pritchard, Okoro, Wall, Johnson, O'Neal, McDermott. We got a numbered Bulls card. Vucevic to 75 on the NBA 75th anniversary card. Nikola Vucevic, 31 of 75 for the Bulls. And that's down 5. Trey Murphy, New Orleans rookie. Otto Porter, Boban, Tyrese Halliburton, Kennard, Denny, Quickly, now playing Zaire Williams. Nice insert for the Grizz. And Isaiah Jackson for Indiana. One touch. Only Zach LaVine. Ooch. When are the Bulls play next? They got a win the other night, right? They were up pretty big. I think they won by 1. Must have been a heck of a finish. DiVincenzo, Curry, Wiseman, Dylan Brooks, Barton, Nurkic, City Edition, Pascal Siakam, Charles Bassey, rookie for the Sixers. The Bulls are on right now. Brandon Ingram, Harden, Trent Jr., Tucker, Plumlee, Collins. We got a jam-tastic for the Sixers, Ben Simmons, and Jason Preston, rookie for the Clippers. They're grinders. No quitting them Bulls. You still call them the Baby Bulls? DeRozan got tossed? He got frustrated the other night. Who was it? Someone fouled him kind of hard. The Magic. Who was it? Was it Suggs? No. Darius Garland. I saw he got upset. Christian Wood got into it. Oh, Wagner. Kelly Olynyk. Bogdanovich. Thaddeus Young. Lowry. We got next. Hello, Josh Giddey. Corey Kispert, rookie for the Wizards. Maxi Kleber, Rashawn Holmes, Al Horford. We got McCall Bridges, Jaden McDaniels, Spencer Dinwiddie, Joel Embiid, road to the finals to 2021 for the Sixers. 1254 of 2021. And Trey Mann, rookie for the Thunder. What did he do to get tossed? It's a nice Josh Giddey. Danny Green, Wiggins, Hardaway Jr., Michael Porter Jr., Derek Jones Jr., Kemba Walker. We got for the Grizzlies, Zero Gravity, Ja Morant, Santi Aldama, rookie for the Grizzlies, Kyrie, Anunoby, Giannis, PJ DeRozan was not tossed, PJ Washington Jr., Bogdanovich, Ja Morant. On the purple, the MVP, Nikola Jokic and Miles McBride. I thought someone said he got tossed. Carmelo Anthony, Fox, Cantor, Rui, Joe Riley Ingles, Deontay Murray, Sharif Cooper, rookie for Atlanta. That's a short print to 25, artist proof. That's what we need, the 101. This one's a rookie, so that's not too bad. 23 of 25, Sharif Cooper for Atlanta. Usman for the Rockets. Jackson, Harris, Cole Anthony, Patrick Williams, Derrick Rose, Bledsoe, Giannis, road to the finals to 2021. 1,702 of 2021. And there's Jalen Green, a rookie base for the Rockets. Jokic is the reigning MVP, not Giannis. Contrary to belief, Giannis is not the reigning MVP. It's Jokic. He might be back-to-back. I never said he was. Who are you telling? Is he the MVP because Giannis couldn't win it 3 times in a row? Clay, Luka, Kendrick Nunn, RJ Barrett. You think Ja's the rookie of the year this year? Paul George, Bertans, Jason Tatum for Boston to 199, 75 of 199. Getting a couple short prints out of hoops. Scotty Lewis, rookie for the Hornets. Dragic, Mitchell, Graham, Quickly, Kennard, Denny. Got Trey Mann. We got next for the Thunder. Evan Mobley, rookie base for Cleveland Cavaliers. I don't think I've even tried to process the MVP yet. Ja is just, he's unbelievable. I don't know if he's an MVP. I don't know. I think, I don't know, I'm going to get myself in trouble. Jokic was very healthy last year, I'll put it that way. A lot of other candidates were not healthy. I feel like that's why he got that award. Dame Time, Valanciunas, Shai, Norman Powell. It's like a attrition award now. Kyle Anderson, Monte Morris, We got Zero Gravity. Harold Miner. It better not be a sign of things to come for the Heat. Sengun, rookie for the Rockets. Tristan Thompson, Jason Tatum, Rubio, Anthony Edwards. He's got one of the best photos. Kelvin, Bam, Rasheed Wallace, team best, 135 blocks for the Blazers, and Moses Moody, rookie for Golden State. He got it because he stayed healthy. It's very good. Baisley, Booker, and they didn't want Giannis to get 3 in a row. Brook Lopez, Jokic, Sabonis, Markkanen, Hoopla, Steph Curry, Golden State. Brandon Boston Jr., rookie for the Clippers. He's actually playing pretty well. Kevin Love, Eric Gordon, Zion, Onyeka, Terry Rozier, Brandon Clark, Jason Tatum on the high voltage for Boston, and Jalen Johnson, rookie for Atlanta. Yeah, between 200, 215, something like that for a hoops box. Only the one auto. It's a nice cheap rip. You can do 2 boxes. 20 spots, $20. That's a lot of cards for $20. RJ Hampton, Westbrook, but it's hoops. Harrison Barnes. Batum, Bryant, Conley. We got next for the Cavs, Evan Mobley. There's our Bones, rookie for Denver. LaMelo Ball, second year. Isaiah Stewart, Boucher, LeVert, White, Robinson. Now playing Joshua Primo for the Spurs. And Sharif Cooper, rookie for Atlanta. Why is Harold Miner? He's got too many autos in this Harold Miner. I'll be okay if they just give us an insert. Just please stay away from the autos. Carl Lewis Jr., Poku, Chris Paul, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jeff Green, Brogdon. We got a Trae Young City edition for Atlanta. Herbert Jones, rookie for the Pelicans. Schroeder, Osman, Deshaun Tate, White, Butler, Hayward. We got a rookie purple border, Herbert Jones, rookie for the Pelicans. And Joe Wieskamp, rookie for the Spurs. And that is our hoops box. Time to come back to the break after grabbing your beverage and sandwich. Move on to Chronicles. Let me make some room. It shouldn't even be, I agree. It shouldn't be on the checklist. What is Adam blowing me up about? One and one, he has a dunk card. I don't remember it. I don't remember what his card is. I've seen it a few times. It's him going for that dunk against the Heat. That dunk. think he got called for the offensive foul, but it was... Should have let it stand. It feels thick. Donovan Mitchell. Jeremy Grant. Tyrese Maxey, rookie for the Sixers. We got a numbered Isaac Okoro for the Cleveland Cavaliers to 99. 40 of 99. Panini Threads. Got our filler card. Out of Prism update, Russell Westbrook for the Wizards. Jashawn Tate, Hometown Heroes Silver for the Rockets. We got Saban Lee, rookie for Detroit out of XR. And Isaac Okoro, rookie for Cleveland. Timeless Moments. Nice. I love that 1-in-1 product. It's just so expensive to reorder. Anthony Edwards, Panini Threads, base. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Thunder Chronicles. Poku, out of Playbook. Rudy Gobert for the Utah Jazz, numbered to 149. 74 of 149, red foil. KD, out of Phoenix. Panini Honors. Love it. Tyrese Maxey. Is that numbered or is that just jersey, man? It's got to be numbered. That one is to 149. 103 of 149. There's one product, I know I say it every time, I want them to make next year. It's Honors. I know they have it for football, I believe. Just so sharp looking. Kyle Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans and James Wiseman, Marquee. I haven't been able to check on Mosaic for a little bit. Hopefully it's moving. Still 2 autos to go. Onyeka, Panini Threads. Tyler Hero. LaMelo Ball out of Playbook. Jashawn Tate again for the Rockets. This one's to 99 out of Limited. 87 of 99, Jashawn Tate. We have Vucevic, Optic. I believe that's an update. And our first auto going to Golden State. Not a great one. Nico Mannion. That is a short print to 25. 2 of 25. Nico. Precious Achua for the Heat. And Anthony Edwards with a little bit of a dinged bottom corner out of XR. Bottom left corner. Not the greatest. What random? What are you talking about? Is the is Mosaic not moving since I went live? Don't love Manny, just pull it too much. PYT's been awesome lately. You guys have been awesome filling them up. Desmond Bane for the Grizzlies. I'm sure that 101 pot has nothing to do with it either. Luka. Kyle Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans out of Luminance. Jashawn Tate, Rockets. Anthony Edwards, Hometown Heroes for the T-Wolves. Jashawn Tate, Crusade, rookie. LeBron James for the Lakers. And we got a numbered Anthony Edwards to 149. 141 of 149, red foil. Nice hit, Minnesota. What I hate Adam was the second box of Bowman. Bowman is one of those products, man. I bought a pack again today while I was at the store. Spent $50. I just love it. Tyrese Halliburton out of Prestige. Bradley Beal, Chronicles. Aaron Naismith, rookie for Boston. Luka out of Luminance for the Mavs. Crusade Nico. Emmanuel Quickley, Hometown Heroes for the Knicks. LaMelo Ball out of XR. And Zion. What am I doing? Is there no numbered card in there? Did I miss the numbered card? There's usually one numbered card per pack. It's just Panini doing Panini things. Yep, I agree. Last pack should be our second auto. See, I like randoms too. Just because I have chances to hit a bigger team and I don't want to pay the big money. RJ Hampton from the Magic out of Prestige. Rudy Gobert, Chronicles. I guess it does. I understand it can get old though. Getting bad teams. For the Hawks, Onyeka. Tyrese Maxey, rookie out of Luminance. LeBron James, Panini Honors. Those colors looked awful Phoenixy. LeBron James. Emmanuel Quickley out of Marquee. Luka out of XR. Who the heck is this guy? Hall of Famer, huh? For the Golden State Warriors. Sarunas Marciulionis. 25 of 75. Golden State. Looks like my father-in-law. That literally looks like my father-in-law. Adam can vouch. I just bumped something that says, report Sean Kennedy. Bowman has an insane ceiling. Adam, are you still watching? That seriously looks like my father-in-law. Alright, let's get it. Big hits. We need a big auto, rookie auto out of here. What the heck is this guy? A lot of other Hall of Famers I wouldn't have minded seeing. A young skinny Mark, right? First card out. CJ McCollum. Going to Portland on the base. Next card is our silver. Again, going to Portland. Norman Powell. Who got Golden State? 2 autos. Don't want to see that auto. On the red, a Christian Wood for the Houston Rockets. Not numbered. Come off the bottom. Nice one for the Orlando Magic silver uniformity. Cole Anthony. %. I was hoping you were here to see that. Cool card. Playing the numbers, Devin Booker for the Phoenix Suns. 45 points. And it should be our last card, our auto. Oof. Oof. Someone called it earlier. Dwayne Wade. That looks gold to 10. On card auto. Dwayne Wade for the Miami Heat. Hit in the mini. And that is 6 of 10. Bang. That's nasty. No one wanted the cheap Heat. Gold. Congrats, congrats, congrats on that bad boy. Yes, you get $10 break credit. Don't forget. Out of flux, we got Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Numbered to 75, 19 to 75. It was a Dwayne Wade night from the beginning. Again on the blue, Dwayne Wade to 99, 91 of 99. Troposphere, Jalen Smith, Mr. Goggles. Tyrese Halliburton, Flow Motion for the Kings. Anthony Edwards, rookie base for the T-Wolves. And Poku, rookie base for the Thunder. Our encased card was rookie Malachi Flynn for the Toronto Raptors. Out of hoops, we had Herbert Jones on the purple border for New Orleans. Evan Mobley, we got next insert for the Cavs. Hoopla, Steph Curry. High voltage, Jason Tatum for Boston. Jason Tatum for Boston, number to 199. 75 of 199. Evan Mobley, rookie base for the Cavs. Road to the finals, Giannis to 2021 for the Bucks. Jalen Green, rookie for the Rockets. Sharif Cooper, short print rookie to 25. 23 of 25. Hawks. Josh Giddey on the silver, or hollow, whatever you want to call it, refractor. Joel Embiid to 2021. 1254 of 2021 for the Sixers. And 75th anniversary, Nikola Vucevic. 31 of 75 for the Bulls. Out of Chronicles, we had Tyrese Halliburton. Out of Prestige. LaMelo Ball. Out of XR. Anthony Edwards, Hometown Heroes. The Ant-Man to 149. 141 of 149. Playbook, LaMelo Ball base. Jashawn Tate. Out of Limited to 99 for the Rockets. Anthony Edwards. Again, that dinged left at bottom corner, which sucks. Out of XR. Panini Threads, Anthony Edwards. Rudy Gobert out of Chronicles to 149 for the Jazz. Tyrese Maxey for the Sixers on the Honors to 149. And Isaac Okoro to 99 for the Cavs. Panini Threads. Optic. I guess we're going to do from backwards to frontward. Devin Booker playing the numbers game. 45 points for the Suns. Sweet card for Orlando. Uniformity. Cole Anthony. Christian Wood on the red for Houston. On the silver, Norman Powell for Portland. And a CJ McCollum base for the Blazers as well. Our autos, my father-in-law, Sarunas Marciulionis to 75, going to Golden State. Hall of Famer, 25 of 75. Another vet out of hoops, Andre Drummond going to the Lakers. Hot signatures. My ass. Hometown Heroes, Nico Mannion to 25. 2 of 25 for the Golden State Warriors. Nice one for the Rockets out of Flux, Jashawn Tate. Sweet hit. Sweet hit. And the banger, gold to 10, Dwayne Wade for the Miami Heat. On-card auto out of Optic Contenders. Sweet, sweet hit. 6 of 10. Nice hit for Miami. Thanks, everyone, for... Yeah, right? Could have taken the Wizards. Left to eat. I appreciate the fill as always, guys. I'm going to check in on Mosaic Fast Break. Hopefully it's almost full or towards the end where we can mini it. I appreciate it. Oop out.